welcome back to another video. So today's a bit special because I'm meeting someone I haven't met before called Taz. I'm great friends with Taz now, and their dog is Paige, golden retriever, and we're meeting today. So I thought I'd vlog because I haven't done one for a while and it's different, so I hope you enjoy. I'm out of breath. So I'm ready, the boys are ready, and I'm speed walking because the bus is there and I don't want to miss it. The reason I'm wearing a face covering is because where I live you have to on the buses. So we're vibing and we're just gonna head off now. You good boys, come on. Good lad. So I just got off the bus because I have to take 2 buses, and I think that my bus is actually coming down straight away now, so that's good luck. So then, yeah, it is my bus. So I'll be getting on this bus, then we'll be at the Metro Centre.
I need to not pick up my phone.
So I've successfully arrived at the centre, and you can kind of see it in the background. I'm early, I've taken my hair out because I wanted it to be nice for today. So now I'm just waiting on Taz to arrive with Paige. Hopefully they shouldn't be long. So yeah, are you ready boys? Huh? Oh, I love them. We have acquired the Taz. And the small doggo. She's so small.
She's fake.
Look at her. Disgraceful behaviour. Disgraceful.
She doesn't obey me.
She doesn't obey you. Oh my goodness, she's a fake.
Do you want a treat? Oh. See, she jumps at you.
She jumps. Fake behaviour. Hi. What the heck is your dog doing? Fake. Fake.
Even more fake. Focus.
So abusive. She has a head halty on. She doesn't listen to you, Faye. My dogs are like both lying down, and yours is just.
Mine's lying down too. Don't.
Now she's not fake. Oh no. Are you getting some puppuccinos? All 3 of you? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, because Cream's going to make her fat. You're going to give her body issues, Dan.
God, she's gonna be so self-conscious. Focus.
She's so cute, I
Do I
can't.
need to get you therapy?
You should get her own personal therapy dog.
Yeah.
I'm concerned about the effect my dog is having on yours.
She's turning into a Shih Tzu.
Well, I mean, soon she's just going to shrink.
Machines were trying to reset, and if the water is still there, drinks you don't really.
Oh, thank you. Stand. Good boys. Let's go.
Yeah, you don't obey the wrong person.
That's just a mood. Good boy. It does. She's going to steal that drink, I swear. If you do not get that girl a puppuccino after... Oh my god. Fake!
We are fake.
Oh yes. But we got free drinks because the card machine's not working and they're only taking card payment right now.
It's amazing.
Good boy! Yeah. I can see you. I know you want my drink and you're not getting it. Don't climb on my knee. That's rude.
Fake.
That's rude.
Licking it.
Disgusting! We stan.
You bet. Focus. Girl.
Nice program dog you got there, mate. Good boy.
Well done. Thanks for alerting me to a program on page.
Well then, when your owner trained dogs put a program dog to shame. 10 years later. Outside. Let's just pretend we're very normal. After you.
So normal.
Come on then. Good job. Right then, Boots is this way. Follow moi. We have to stay on the left side though. Good job, boys. Ew. It is a wild Paige being a good girl. Oh. They're off. Lucky, good boy. Why are you like this? Running off into the sunset with your dog. She's a fake. She runs with her dog. Her dog sniffed. Oh my god, it's a fake. You've been blacklisted. Disgraceful. See, look at my dog. Good boy. I don't want to run into that dog again. I'm doing me a hecking concern. We're doing a hecking concern. Hecking concerns. We stopped for a Subway.
Paige wants to be in it. Paige.
Coronavirus. I embarrassed myself. I've got red. No. No, that was supposed to be wholesome. Right. Taz. Coronavirus. Ew. We stopped for a Subway, well, for me. Because Taz is trash. What am I going to say again? I'm too overwhelmed by my big echoey sneak. She's asleep. Fake, sleeping on the job. My card declined, so Taz saved me. I need to sneeze again. I'm scared. We are one. We are one. We are one. We are one. Yeah. The goodest girl and the two goodest boys. Yay. Good boy. I thought someone was talking to a dog there. Oh no, it's because it's like a ride and technically it would be like you sit on it. No?
Yeah.
Small brain individual.
My moving seating area.
Yes. It's the best type of seating area.
I am the best type of seating area.
Don't tell that to your dog because she will sit on your face. Good boys. Paige's baby though. She is the bestest. You know what we should do? We should go to the bus station and just train for a bit. And then go on like a hike. Not a hike, but like a trek, a walk. An off-duty walk. Stop it, Chico. Every excuse to sniff your girlfriend's bottom. That sounds very wrong when it's taken out of context. Chico! No! This is the first time she's gonna try and open this door. This is so bad lighting. I don't like it. Oh, come on, Paige! Can she not get it? I don't think she knows what to do. No, she doesn't know what to do. Come along, my children. The brethren. Oh my god, he knows he's outside. Open the door. Because he can open the one over the side. Come.
Wrong side.
I'm waiting for them to shut.
Please shut. Back. Why aren't they closing? Close doors.
I'm actually offended.
Chico. Chico and Lucky. Chico and Lucky. I'm getting it right.
Screw it, I'm just gonna do it anyway. Come here. Right, Chico. Button. Press. No, come around here. Chico, come here.
Fake. Chico is fake.
I'll just drop that for a sec. Come here, Chico. 6. Press 6. Press. No, come here, press 6. Press 6.
Yes.
Give the button.
He's too small. It's so cute.
We haven't practiced with these for a while, so
Paige, whoa, Jesus Christ. Paige.
Geeks.
No.
Chico, ready? Okay, press the button.
Leave it.
Press the button. Good job. Good boy.
Good boy. Paige, focus. Excuse me, Paige.
Paige smells. So Taz bullies her dog. She doesn't love you anymore. Chico! You dirty dog! Okay, he's not humping her, which is good.
I'm stealing him.
No! Yeah! Oh, this is adorable.
I love them. They are babies.
Just they are the dynamic trio. Come on, Paige! Oh.
Paige, come. Come on.
I've gone down here a little bit, but like I haven't gone the full way down, so I don't even know what's down here. Just like, heck yes, I want a treat. Heck yes, I want a treat.
Come. Retreat.
Doesn't respond to her name, but responds to, do you want a treat? Paige, do you want a treat? Do you want a treat, Paige? Here, Paige, hi. I'm offended. Paige, I'm offended. I'm not letting my dog be your boyfriend anymore, Paige, if you don't come here. Paige, do you want a treat? Do you want a treat, Paige? Come here. Come here, Paige. Paige!
I'm a fucking treat.
Oh, she's off.
Get out the way, Bum.
Poor
Bum,
Paige.
Good Bum. Yeah. I love my Bum.
So apparently Paige responds to Bum.
Bum.
She's just ignoring.
Bum.
Bum come. Hi, Lucky. Lucky. Hello, sweetheart.
Hey, Bum. Bummy. Bum.
Oh, you're going to offend her.
Just that noise that scares her. ITV.
Oh.
ITV. Wow, we're on TV.
Yes, Queen. We are going back to the centre. Honestly, you are going to trip. Oh my good lord. You're going to murder me with this lead. I'm genuinely afraid. Ooh.
Bum.
Don't start calling your dog Bum again.
Bum.
Poor Bum.
Come on. Okay, free. We're free.
What were we going to do? We were going to take pictures, aren't we?
Gonna go and take pictures and then.
Grab a drink. I need to grab a drink.
Oh, yeah.
Praying that my card doesn't want to decline again. If it does, I'll cry. Because I'm literally dying and I really need a drink. Oh no, get out, out. Hey. Lucky! No!
Oh my god.
Go on, free. Good job, good boy. Oh, I hate those small puddles. Not a vibe, not a vibe.
The dogs are bite sized.
How dare you offend my dogs like that? I stole her dog.
Wait for it.
My second eye. Make my story straight. There is a bicyclist. It's not the right word, but you know what I mean. And then I forgot the word for for cyclist. I was just like, bicyclist, same thing. Paige, are you a good girl? She's so precious. We swapped dogs, so now I have Paige, and Taz is working tandem and hates it. How's working tandem?
I hate it and
You don't know how I do it, do
I
you?
want to do it again.
Haha.
How's working with Golden?
Amazing. I love her. Hi. Good girl. Honestly, I'd love to work like a golden, to be honest.
Yeah, they are amazing.
A golden.
The only other breed I've worked with is a collie, and he was okay, but he just didn't like his job, so.
I mean, the breeds I want to work with, good girl, is either a collie or a golden or a lab. Those are
Goldens.
definitely. What are you looking at me like that for, Mrs.? Huh?
Right, where are we taking the poster?
Marks and Spencer's is where we're going, apparently. Hi. I'm coming. Come on. I love how, like, he's still walking close to me. They're in a lovely, like, loose lead heel as well. Chico's just disgustingly mucky because he decided to roll around in dust before we came in here. Good girl. I just hope that program dog is gone by now.
I'm sure it is. It was like 2 hours ago.
Yeah. Right, I'm just gonna have to remember which way we're going now. This is making me want a golden.
Just get a golden.
I look good with a golden though. I don't know if I picked it up on the camera though. Just bigger dogs. Not gonna lie, you suit smaller dogs.
Oh no.
You're gonna hate me for saying that now.
I hate you.
Ew.
Meeting with everyone.
Oh, okay. I'm just gonna run away with your dog.
Chico in the post.
Send my dog in the post. Yes, that's right. I'll suffocate my dog for you. I'll suffocate my dog for you. Hi. Good
I
girl.
love them so much.
They're just so happy. Like, even though he's like mucky, it's not like mud, it's just dirt. Oh, Paige, you're gonna trip me up, Mrs. Here you are. I think it's this way, yeah. M&S is this way.
The only thing with golden
Leave.
is because they have so much hair, they just pant constantly. Like even on a cold day, they just pant.
Yeah. She's so precious, though. Good girl. Bye. Go on, Paige. Oh, bye. Bye, Paige.
Yeah, don't you jump out.
She's like, but my boyfriend.
Wait.
Oh. She looks so sad.
See you. I'll be back soon.
Yes. Bye. So Taz and Paige have gone home. Good boy. And now I'm going home. I'm heading for Poundland first to get a drink. And then I'm gonna go home because I'm tired. I'm in pain, and there's no other reason to stay out. So yeah, good boy. I've made Chico carry my bus pass for me because we're on our way out now. It's just easier than panicking and fumbling around in my bag just to get my dog to carry it for me because he's trained to. So such a good boy. We going home? Yeah, good boy. Have you got my bus pass, Chico? Chico, have you got my bus pass? He's so good. Bless his little heart. Hopefully he'll give it to me when I ask him when we're on the bus, because that's been proving a struggle a few times when we've done it. So you good boy, Chico. Hey, good boy.
I'll go straight to airplane mode, find something to do. I know I can be a little bit cold, but my third eye is going blind. I'm unaligned with my body and mind. It's playing tricks, I say I'm fine, but really it's hurting me deep inside, cause I've been dreaming about you. Ooh, I've been wishing that I was next to you. Oh, I've been dreaming of us. Oh, I've been thinking that this is not a need or a must, but love has treated me so wrong. This year all I've got to show are songs.
You got me feeling so